In today's episode, we're in the USA, where we're commissioning a live warehouse with 15 taxis, 5 elevators and 10 different conveyor sections within and out feeds. Nice high warehouse. Here you'll see some outfeed conveyors, and we'll go and have a look at one in detail here. So as you can see, the floors are sunk into the ground, so the conveyor is forklift or pallet truck friendly. This allows the client to have a forklift free warehouse, and also we're bringing it out on the short facing side of the pallet. There's been some custom engineering for this, but not a lot. It's nice to see it, and yeah, we'll go to another area of the building. In this area, we have a special in-feed conveyor. We're on a belt. The client has 9 different dimensions of pallet. Many different wide ranges, anything from 52 inch right down to 42 inch and even 38. This here will have a recentering conveyor in the center, rotates the pallet and lets it go in. And then we have a special handover device within the center of the system. Now we're on the east side of the building, and we have a lot more in and out feeds over here. There's a production line where they're manufacturing our product. We've all pallet grade fencing the whole way around the system for human and pallet protection. So with our 14,000 pallet storage system, we're taking manufactured material and storing it into the warehouse. But not only that, we're storing a raw material, bringing it over a mezzanine structure and delivered into the process of how to manufacture the material. So we're actually utilising the taxi to bring it over the bridge and into the processing area. It's then a manufactured product and then stored into the storage system. So a little unique part of the system. Really delighted to show you around a customer's warehouse. Hopefully I can show you around a few more. From me, Sam Moffett in the US, thank you.